Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here, and why don't we take a gander at that there transcript? It's got your GPA, your courses, it's brimful of credits and overflowing with grades. First, how do you get there? From home, click on My Profile, then on Student. That'll land you on your transcript. Take a second, breathe it in. Let's get the lay of the land. Degrees show up at the top here. The cumulative section gives you a rundown of the various credits and points and GPA. Below that, you'll have all of your courses listed by term. Those are in descending order, starting with the most recent. At the bottom of the terms list, you'll see transfer credits if you have any. We also have this legend at the very bottom that you can refer to for any abbreviations you run into. Back up on the right, you'll have your program or programs if you have more than one, and then more details about your degrees. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Up here on cumulative, we've got categories for your credits. Resident refers to credits pursued at this institution. Transfer will be from other institutions, and then overall combines both. And then we have columns for each of those categories. Attempted credits will be every credit connected to the program that we're looking at, whether it's earned, in progress, failed, what have you. Earned will be credits your school has granted to you. Points are the quality points you've earned based on your granted credits and your grades. Cumulative GPA. These are the grade point averages for each category. The GPA for overall would be considered your program GPA. Let's look at a term's courses. Down here we have a term with 5 courses. We have columns for the course abbreviations and then the course name. You'll see the course names are hyperlinked. You can visit your old courses. Like we saw at the top, we've got attempted credits here and then earned credits. For this term, you can see this history course has earned credits, but then these other courses are instances that have not granted credits for various reasons. We can find out more about what's going on with these courses by looking at the grade column. That history course with granted credits shows a grade here. The science course is in progress, so that one has yet to grant credits. This math course is marked as a retake, which means that it's been replaced by another course. So that one's not going to grant credit. And then this English course is set as incomplete. So it may grant credit once the requirements for credit have been fulfilled and your instructor marks the course as complete. Failed courses like this one do not earn credits. And you'll see that that plays out in the points column. Those are the quality points granted by each course. Those will be based on the credits granted and the grade received. So points granted by that B on that history course show up there. Also, for the failed course, you'll see that show up with 0 points. In a more typical situation, you'll see your earned credits and then the grades and the quality points you've earned for each course. Below those rows, we've got totals, we've got total attempted credits, total earned credits, total quality points earned, and those are for the whole term. Then we've got your term GPA, and that's going to be a GPA calculated only looking at the courses in this term. Cumulative GPA on the term is looking at this term and any previous terms. So that term by term gives you a running tally of your GPA. We have some great resources down in the description if you want more details about the transcript or anything you're seeing here. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.